and welcome to today's video. We are somewhere new today. We are in my kitchen. So I thought I would try and film something a little bit different today. Something in the kitchen. So excuse me if there's a bit of an echo and I've got the clock ticking, and it's a gorgeous sunny day out today. So trying to control the light and all sorts. So I'm just testing this out to see how it goes, but I thought I would do something just a little bit different today. Okay, so if you are anything like me and you have a super sweet tooth, then you know that the struggle is real when it comes to trying to cut out sugar and sweet things. And one of the recipes that I found to help me do that, when I really just need to munch on something sweet but that's not really bad for you, is protein and energy balls, and they have been my lifesaver. And so in today's video I just wanted to show you a quick recipe, the one that I use to create my protein and energy balls that I can just kind of like snack on without feeling too bad or without putting on too much weight or getting spots or anything like that. So it's just a really quick and easy, simple recipe. And you need peanut butter, you need coconut oil, you need pitted dates, you need ground almonds, you need a desiccated coconut, and you need chia seeds. And I also throw in some seedless raisins as well. Now that's not part of the recipe mainly, but I quite like the taste with these, so I throw these in also. So those are the ingredients that you need, and it is so super simple. You literally just add those all together, fling them in the NutriBullet, and let them set for a few hours. So let me show you how much you need of each. Okay, so I have my phone here with the amount on it, and I've got my little cups here. So we start with 1 cup of pitted dates. We put in our pitted dates in here. So 1 cup of pitted dates. Now I have here 2 bowls because I do use the NutriBullet. You can use any mixer. So this isn't necessarily the best one because it's long and thin. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do 2 separate bits. So I'm going to put half of the dates in there, and then the other half will come back to that. And then 3/4 of the ground almonds. So we put 3/4 of a cup of the ground almonds in there. About 3/4, a bit more. Okay, it's about 3/4 in there. So we'll leave those over there. So again, I'm just going to do half in here and then half in there. And then we need half a cup of desiccated coconut. So half a cup of desiccated coconut. Now I do have the other cups here, so we'll switch to this cup because that gives us the half. There we go. So half a cup of desiccated coconut, half in there, and then half in there. And then 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds. So I'm going to do 1 in there, and then 1 in there. And then a heaped tablespoon of peanut butter. So I'm going to do half in there, and then the other half in there. So that's that. And then finally 1 level tablespoon of coconut oil. So again, I'll do half in there and then half in there. And like I say, you don't need to add raisins, but I really like raisins in it. So I am going to fling some raisins in there as well. Whoops. So some in there and some in there. And that is literally it. You then literally just whiz them all together. So So I normally give them a little whiz, then give them a little shake, because you can end up getting some of the dates kind of like stuck to the bottom. So I give it a little shake. There we go. Just make sure that everything is mixed together. Whoa. And it doesn't all fall out. But there we go. That's that half done. So what I'm going to do is then pour that into another bowl so that that lot is ready. And then I'm just going to throw in the other half. And then do the same thing. Give it a bit of a mix. You see how quick and easy and simple. How long has that taken me to do? Like 5 minutes? It's so easy. Quick mix. Make sure it's all mixed there. Looks like it is. Okay, and then I'm just going to add this to the rest of my mixture. Make sure it's all out. Because we don't, woo! We don't want to waste any. So, see, I'll never be any good on a cooking show, would I? Jeez. Wow. And then I have my plate ready here. So once you've mixed everything together, so now I've put everything in here, but you literally just go in, grab a handful and start making the balls. So you literally just start pressing it together, give it a little bit of a roll. Ta-da! And there's one of the balls. And you just do that until the mixture is all finished. So nice and simple. It's so easy to do. And I know that this is much better for me than having, you know, the sweets and the chocolates and everything. So it's such a good little recipe to have if, like I say, you have a sweet tooth like I do. This is such a good idea. And there we go, all done. Now I know they do look a bit like meatballs. I know, but they taste delicious. They are so nice and they're so easy and quick to make that they are a brilliant substitute for sugar and chocolate and sweets and things like that. So if you're looking for something like that, then try protein balls because they are a really good option. So that's it for this video. A little bit different, I know. I hope you have enjoyed it, being in the kitchen with me. So I'm thinking about doing a few more things in the kitchen. I am not a good cook. I don't like cooking, hence the reason why I think I probably need to be in here a lot more. And because this house lends itself to kind of like entertaining and everything, then it kind of makes a bit of sense to you know, try and get a bit better at cooking. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're not already a subscriber, please do click the link down below, go ahead and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.